In this video, I will be showing you how to make bunting design in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start by heading to the search bar on the Canva homepage and typing in bunting design. As the results load, you'll see a wide variety of styles, from floral patterns to educational alphabets. I'll take a moment to scroll through the options to find the perfect layout for my project. I've found a pastel classroom style that I like, so I'll click on it to see the preview. Now, I'll select Customize this template to open up the editor. To give these flags a fresh look, I'll click on the border of one and select the color tile. I'll choose a gray-green, and to save time, I'll click Change All at the bottom left to update every flag in the document at once. Next, I want to try a deeper shade, so I'll select the border again and switch it to a dark purple. For even more control, I'll open the Position tab and look at the layers. This lets me select the background pattern directly, even if it's behind other elements. I'll change the pattern color to a soft lavender and hit Change All again to keep the design consistent across all pages. One last adjustment to the border to match my new theme, and the design is complete. I hope this helps you create beautiful, custom decorations for your next event.